Woke up to a silver thaw here in Oregon City, Oregon. It's pretty wild. We haven't had one of these since I was a kid. Everything is covered with about a half an inch of ice. And it's amazing how Mother Nature can do that. Look at how the tractor's just got icicles all over it. Pretty wild, huh? Everything that is even remotely horizontal has got a layer of ice on it. The individual blades of grass, where we have them, have that on them, like that. Look at how the ice piles up on the grass. It's really cool. Here's a close-up of a silver thaw on a bush in front of our house. It's amazing how it does that. Yeah, we got the bus pulled out. Getting some solar now. But yeah, this tree, maybe this will give you an appreciation for how heavy the branches are on the trees with the ice. You see how they're laying on the fence and all that? And they're just, every little thing is just covered with ice. Every little needle is covered with ice. And it causes lots and lots of branches to break off, which has happened, and you know, our power went out at 3 in the morning because of that. My RVI brake comes with a level feature that's kind of cool, where it, you know, lets you tells you what you got to do to level the bus out. So I'm using my my leveling system here. Try and get things level. You never want to go over 100 psi in these bags. That's their max. So I usually just go to about, 90 at the most. It takes a while. But we had a lot of branches come down. You can still hear them cracking in the distance. Oh, one just broke off over there. Lost some branches here. You hear some stuff crunching. Mother Nature's tree trimming service. Where is it? Damn. Yeah, this is not a particularly safe place to be. Look at this crap. Just gonna get through here quickly. Yeah, we're gonna have to get the tractor in here. We got a lot of destruction in here. Probably need a hard hat. Yeah, this is slick. You can hear major ice falling over that way. Wow. Wow. Just the sounds of this is amazing. Yeah, we got a lot of trees pruned down here by Mother Nature. Look at the road down to our creek. Naturally, I'm staying in the open areas because, you know, I'm not going to go back in there without a hard hat. Well, we lost some trees down in there. Creek's down there.
I'm gonna record walking down in here. This is pretty wild. Just gotta get through here quickly because stuff's coming down all the time. I just need to get the tractor down here and clear this out. Dude, this is something else. Well, the creek's not frozen. There's a culvert that goes under this road here. Lots of birds down there. Lots of branches down. Got a tree down back there. Got some chores. Neighbor's property. It's fascinating. Everything is just coated. Glass trees. Some trees blocking our road here.
So anyways, our power and internet is out, so we're hunkered down in the bus. Came out to the bus because it's, you know, like our plan B. We keep it ready to go as much as we can. And we had to come out here to have coffee and breakfast. But it's dark in the shop because we don't have power. I want to pull the bus out so I can get some solar going on it, and, you know, so I got to do a cold start on this thing. It's like 28 degrees right now. It's not gonna like it. Basically, when it's cold, I'll just crank the bus a little bit. I don't actually want it to start. I just want to roll it over and get some heat into those cylinders. it's turning over slow. Amazing how slow that's turning over. It doesn't make sense. Now we're getting a little smoke. Don't actually want her to start just yet. I'm just trying to get some heat in those cylinders. Okay, I think this time we'll go for start. Almost. Yeah, the bus has slid back since I parked it. Definitely slid back. So the parking brakes are only in the rear on these, and you can see it's kind of a slope a little bit there, not much, but yeah. Fortunately I have the shop door open and it slid straight. So I have some traction. Not want that sliding back into the shop door when I close it.
Scott is here trying to drive this and it keeps spinning out on him. Put some heat down there. See if that would help it. There we go.
Company trucks are out. Look at those things. We've got power lines down on the road here. Yeah, that's not good. All three phases are down. That had to make some sparks when that happened, huh? Look at that. Power line there. It's still down here. that's caused these lines to sag here. Cable internet is down over here.
Right by this red truck.
Yeah, right here.